Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. We know that nth term in the AP is a plus n minus 1d equal to nth term is equal to tn. Therefore, second term t2 is equal to a plus n minus d equal to a plus 2 minus 1d is equal to 14. Implies that a plus d is equal to 14. 1. Third term t3 is equal to a plus n minus 1d is equal to 18. A plus 3 minus 1d is equal to 18. A plus 2d is equal to 18. Equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 equal to a plus d is equal to 14 minus a plus 2d equal to 18 minus a cancel. Here minus d is equal to minus 4, d is equal to 4 and substitute 4 in d is equal to 4 in 1. Therefore a plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore a is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Therefore a is equal to 10, d is equal to 4, n is equal to 51. Sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by s is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. S is equal to 51 by 2 2 into 10 plus 51 by S is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. S is equal to 51 by 2 20 plus 50 into 4. Okay.